Hey guys, Jesse here. Got a new knife today. It's a VICTORINOX Swiss Army Knife Hiker Edition. So let's check it out. I'm a big fan of Swiss Army knives. Good quality. Has a symbol. Has a large primary blade. Smaller utility blade. The cap lifter. Straight screwdriver. Wire stripper. Can opener. Another flat screwdriver. Phillips head. And the awl. And toothpick tweezer function. But why it's the Hiker Edition, it has small folding saw, double toothed, so you can cut your branches better. But great little knife, Swiss Army, Victorinox. Can't wait to try it out. Thanks for watching, guys.